Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you've been following this project, we are making this two shops into one. So hopefully you've been following that, and I'll put the link above my head somewhere so you can see from day one. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you do so. And yeah, I'm going to give you a little brief overview of the job and what we're hopefully going to get done today. So this is the massive wall. The plan for today is to try and get that down as much as we can. So if you can see, there is a cut line just to the right hand side of those steps. And there's one all the way back over there near the window. So the idea is that we're going to try and take this wall out today. So there's going to be a lot of time lapse because it's mental noisy, mental dusty. So sit back, get a cup of tea, enjoy, and let's get cracking. Okay, so as you've been watching, we've got this wall down to basically that bit right now. So it is pretty loud, pretty dusty. We've got the skip full. We're waiting for another one. So I think that's coming. I think Shawnee was saying was about between...
Probably any time between now and the next hour or so.
Yeah, we do need that skip because this is really annoying when it's like that, all mounded up. So Lou's been getting on with all this up here. So Lou's been taking all that top section out up there, so then that will make this bit easier to get down. So Sean's now, so we've got to dig a big bit basically for a big footing. So I think where Sean is now, we've got to dig down, do you say 1 metre square around there, Sean?
It's roughly 1,500 all the way around the post.
Right, okay.
We go 500 deep, but we've also got to go 300 more than that because the post itself has got to be buried in the concrete.
Right, okay.
So basically we've got concrete all the way around. So it's roughly 800 mil deep from the shaft.
So all good fun. The other thing that we discovered yesterday is the floor, all the quarry tiles and stuff, they're all just knackered, so we're having to pull the rest of those up, but we're mainly trying to sort out this lot, in fairness. So we'll stick you back on time lapse so we can crack on, because you can't hear anything anyway. It's too noisy. Too noisy, too dusty, and not very enjoyable. So, right, enjoy. What you got, Shawnee?
A disgusting beard, lots and lots of dust in it.
And why would that be?
Because I've been dirty today, playing in the dirt.
Dirty boy. So we are at the end of our day and the end of our tether as well. So thank you very much for watching. But as you can see, we haven't quite managed to get it all down. We're going to leave that section in the middle for now anyway, until the steel's all ready. But we've discovered some drainage potential issues that's going to cause a bit more work. So what I'll do is I'll try and show you this. So what we've got in here, we've got two 6-inch, Sean, is it? 6-inch drains, because there's flats and stuff above. So we've got two 6-inch drains that run either side of this, which is going to cause a bit more of a headache. Oh yeah, and there's, so where that plastic is, you know when people ring you and they know it's just sales, go away. So yeah, so there's a bit we've cracked through that pipe, unfortunately, but we've got to have to replace it because we've got to still dig down. We've got to get all that dug out. We think we're going to take one of those sections out to allow for the steels to sort of tuck in. Is that right, Sean?
In between, yeah. So
in between. Hold on.
Below. So yeah, the pad is going to be below them anyway. So hopefully we can get this. Yeah, we get the steel in between them, but you say all the bearing will be below them anyway. So.
Yeah, so fingers crossed, fingers crossed. But the good news is that we've got to do the whole process all over again down that end as well. And because obviously it's all falling that way, it'll have to be even deeper. So we are knackered, long day, but thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I know it's been a lot of time lapse and stuff, but there is really no other way of filming everything that's been going on today. So let's say, take care, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you do, and we shall catch you later. Take care.